Freeze. Imagine stepping into a world where the only limit is your imagination. Welcome to Open World VR. First stop, blade-swinging action in Swords of Gargantua. Next, soar like an eagle in the Solus Project, surviving an alien planet. But not all worlds are about survival. No Man's Sky VR lets you explore endless galaxies. Ever felt like a traffic god? Traffic Jams VR puts you in control of the chaos. Okay, serious talk now. What makes these games UNFORGETTABLE? One word, immersion. You're not just playing, you're inhabiting these worlds. From fighting dragons to cultivating farmland, freedom is your playground. And beyond the thrill, VR is evolving. It's about connections, building communities, not just games, but experiences that shape memories, friendships, maybe even identity. It's clear, isn't it? The future of gaming isn't just in our hands, it's on our heads. Thank you for diving into the edge of virtual possibility with me. See you beyond reality.